of voter protection folks that were out there fighting on behalf of voters. Because we recognize that at the last minute, the Republicans were going to try and strike our vote. They were going to try and say that, well, you know, you ain't registered to vote. This ain't your address or something. My sister would say, this is not your address. Forgive me, Barbara. But the reality is, ladies and gentlemen, Democrats of Ohio, touch your neighbor and say, you did a great job. Touch your neighbor and say, we won this victory. Touch your neighbor and say, let's do it again. Touch your neighbor and say, this is 2006, and next opportunity is 2008. 2008. With a Democratic governor and a Democratic senator, we can set the stage to put George Bush out of office. I know he's the president, just in case the FBI and CIA are listening to me. I want you to know I didn't give any disparaging remarks. I merely said it's time to give George Bush a pink slip and get him the hell out of Washington.